So today we are taking a look at Kunal Jaisingh's amazing long hair and hairstyles. Everything from the time required to grow your hair this long to the hair treatments to the actual hairstyle tutorials. So let's start with the time required for the hair growth, as that is the first step towards achieving this look. Well, his hair is actually half of my current hair length, and looking at some of my older pictures, I can easily tell you that it is going to take at least 14 to 16 months for you to grow your hair this long. But with that being said, don't expect your hair to look exactly like his or even similar, because there is a lot going on with his hair, as you will find out as this video progresses further. And during this whole time of hair growth, don't forget to take some extra care of your hair, as you're not going to get it cut for a while. And the hair present on your head right now is going to be the hair ends later, so keep them extra nourished. And as for the hair products, all you need is a good essential oil for your hair. My personal favorite is of course the coconut oil, and along with that a good shampoo. And as for the shampoo, it really doesn't matter a whole lot which one you choose, as long as it is from a well-known brand. Thanks to Samir Ali for making this video possible. Now that you know how long it is going to take for your hair to grow this long, let's talk about the haircut, because otherwise what you're gonna do even after you've grown out your hair, right? It is always better to stay prepared. So looking at the hair, I can say that this haircut is not really something special or something that we haven't seen before. It is actually a regular layered haircut, which is kind of a standard haircut for long hair, sort of like the one I have got going on in my hair. His bangs, or the hair present in the front of his head, is way shorter than the hair present on the back side and the neck portion. The only difference I can see between mine and his haircut is that my hair is longer and his hair is shorter. So as far as the haircut goes, this is simply a layered one, nothing special here. Now let me get this straight, it is not possible to achieve this type of hair without any treatment. If you pay enough attention to this picture right here, his hair doesn't even look like hair. It looks like strands of silk thread, especially in this particular picture. So it may be keratin, it may be straightening, or it may even be simply rebonding, and we may never know what sort of hair treatment is going on there. But one thing is for sure, this is not his natural hair. And there are some other pictures as well in which his hair looks more natural, and I have to say, if you take enough care of your hair, it might actually look like this with the help of a proper haircut. Now one question that arrives in mind while looking at his hair is that, is it possible to make our hair look like this with the help of hair dusting? Well, my take on this is, you can make your hair look like this with the help of dusting, but it can never make your hair look anywhere as clean as this. And therefore you have to opt for some kind of hair smoothing and straightening treatment. But before we talk about the hairstyles, I want to tell you guys that if you're enjoying what you're watching, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. Now let's move on to the final bit, the hairstyles and the hair products that you may require to achieve them. So in most of the pictures that I saw of him, he was either rocking a clean half ponytail or a half bun. And the thing is that the hairstyles are not that difficult to make. It is actually the clean look that is difficult to achieve. And based on different factors such as your hair type, how frizzy or damaged or dry your hair is, and also how shiny it is, you may need to use different products in order to make your hair look that clean and shiny at the same time. But in most of the cases, I think you should be good by using only two products. First, a hair serum to provide some shine to the hair and tame the frizz a little bit, and then a high hold spray to apply in the front to tame all the flyouts and make the hairstyle as clean as possible. And keep in mind not to use any sort of hair oils for the shine, as the hairspray will have little to no effect on top of oil. So I think that wraps everything about Kunal Jaisingh's awesome long hair, and with that being said, I'll see you around later.